Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to send photos in TikTok Message and guide you through each step to share pictures easily with your friends. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and tap the inbox icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to all your messages and notifications. Step 2. Select the chat where you want to send a photo or start a new conversation if you don't have one already. Step 3. Look for the photo icon or a small camera or gallery icon next to the text input field in the chat. This lets you attach images or videos. Step 4. Tap that icon to open your phone's gallery, then select the photo you want to send. You can usually pick multiple photos or videos if you like. You can also choose the camera icon to take a new photo or video right then and there to send immediately. Step 5. After selecting your photo, tap the send button, usually shown as a paper airplane icon, to deliver it to your friend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy tech tips.